Alright, so there's this clip here, which is what the bumper clipped into. But with the new bumper, it comes with a new one of these. And I think the clip positions are a bit different. So just to make sure, I'm just going to put the ones that they gave me on here and take off the old ones. So to do that, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. And there's 3 screws. There's one here, and there's one here. So I'm just going to unscrew those now. And the last one's out. Now I'm going to put on the new one. So to do that, it's the exact same thing we just did, but in reverse. So I'm just going to put the screw in there, and put it in the hole, and then screw it in. I'm going to make sure those are nice and secure on there. So that's on there really well. That's not coming off. So now we can move on to actually putting the bumper back on here. Okay, so there's these reflectors here that are to go into the bumper. And they're simple to put in. You just clip them in. Push it in, and that's this piece right here that's going to go onto the bottom. So these just has some clips all around it. You just want to clip it in to the bumper where they should go. Alright, getting the diffuser part onto the bumper has proven to be a lot more difficult than I would have thought. So it's not even on there properly, but it's on there well enough that I'm okay to leave it like that. So now I just want to put back in the plate lights. And that's 2. So now I can put this back on the car. Alright, so I'm just going to connect the plate lights up first and then try put it back on the same way it came off. Didn't catch any of that on the camera. It's finally on. My apologies for not getting it on camera, but it was extremely hard. Like, very, very, very hard. I had to get somebody else to hold one side of the bumper and like really force it in a way. I just put it in one side. Then there's like a little clip thing that goes all the way across here. You have to clip that in and then clip in the last side. As this being my first time ever changing a bumper, it was very hard and very scary because I didn't want to break anything, but it's finally on. So now I'm just going to put the screws back in where they came from. So there's the 3 on the left side, the 4 at the bottom. There's normally 5, but if you saw when I removed the bumper, there was one weird clip thing that's just destroyed now. So I'm only gonna put the 4 in on the bottom, then the other 3 on the other side. So I'll at least try and get that on film.